Okay, number 3 is an age problem, so we need some let statements. So let J represent Janet's age now, right? Because they refer to their age 3 years from now, so we have to be clear and say that it's her age now. And then let, right, L represent Laura's age now. Okay, so there's our let statements. Now we just kind of read the English sentences and translate it to mathematical equations. So Janet is, so J equals twice as old as Laura, so 2L. Okay, the second equation, it says 3 years from now, the sum of their ages will be 42. So 3 years from now, Janet will be J plus 3. And Laura will be L plus 3. And it says 3 years from now, the sum of their ages, so we're going to add those, will be 42, equals 42. And I didn't need the parentheses there. I'm just doing that to show you that it's their two ages being added together. So now we can simplify this bottom equation, right? So it's J plus L plus 6 equals 42. Or J plus L, right, if I subtract 6, equals 36. And the other equation, I'm going to bring this down, right? This other equation, I'm going to bring it down here. J equals 2L. So there's my two equations. So this is jumping out to use substitution, right? Because this is solved. J is solved for 2L. So I'm going to substitute that 2L right in there. So I get 2L plus L equals 36. 3L equals 36. Divide by 3. L equals 12. Now this case said, how old is Janet? So I have to go back and substitute in. So J, right, J equals 2L. So J equals 2 times 12. J equals 24, right? So now I would answer the question, how old is Janet? Janet is 24 years old. And if you want to be precise, you could say now, right? But you don't need that, but you could put that. So Janet is 24 years old now.